Okay, so for our example of using the greatest common factor to write a problem out in the distributive property form, I'm going to start out with 24 plus 36. Now, our first step is going to be the exact same as solving any other distributive property problem. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to write out the numbers that I'm working with. So in this case, 24 and 36. And I'm going to go ahead and draw my upside down L and start factoring. In this case, I'm going to go ahead and factor a 6 out because I know 6 times 4 is 24, and I know 6 times 6 is 36. Now, as always, I got to look at my bottom row and think, can I keep going? In this case, yes, I can. I know that 4 and 6 are both even numbers, and I know that 2 will divide into both of them. So I know 4 divided by 2 is 2, and I know 6 divided by 2 is 3. Same deal. I'm going to look. 2, 3. There's not going to be anything that I'm going to do that both 2 and 3 can be divided by. So now my next step is I have to find my greatest common factor. As we have seen, the only numbers for greatest common factor that we are worried about are going to be on the left-hand side. And I have to multiply those. So I'm going to say 6 times 2 equals 12. Now 12, that's my greatest common factor. But that doesn't mean I'm done because I have to rewrite my problem, my original problem, which was 24 plus 36, using my greatest common factor and using the end factors that I've got here at the bottom. So I start out with my greatest common factor times, I have my parentheses, 2 plus 3. Okay? Now, can we check this? Sure, we can check this. I know that if I add together 24 and 36, that's going to be 70. Okay? But what I also need to know is that 12 times 2 is 24. 12 times 3 is 36. Does that get us back to where we started? Absolutely. So do we know that our distributive property form is correct? Yeah, we checked it.